Hello again. Today we're going to demonstrate Ulti-Mate Moss and Mildew Remover. This product is a safe, easy to use, heavy-duty cleaning agent, ideal for removing moss, mildew and lichen from pretty much any surface you're going to find around your house. But for our purposes, we're going to demonstrate it on this large, mossy water feature that we found in our garden. And you'll see how quickly and how easily this product does its job. We're going to use about 1 cup of Ulti-Mate Professional Moss and Mildew Remover. And that will do all the heavy cleaning for us. As you can see, Ulti-Mate Professional Moss and Mildew Remover has done a wonderful job on this water feature. Like every other Ulti-Mate Professional product, whether you're a DIYer, a professional or just a proud homeowner, Ulti-Mate will have a solution that will make your life a lot easier.